Our eyes are how we experience the world around us. Imagine not being able to see the faces of your loved ones, the beauty of a sunset, or the words on this page. Sight is a precious gift. It allows us to navigate our surroundings, learn new things, and appreciate the wonders of life. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this incredible process works? How do our eyes capture light and transform it into meaningful images? Let's embark on a journey to understand the remarkable physiology of the human eye. Our eyes are complex organs. They work tirelessly to provide us with a constant stream of visual information. Every blink, every glance is a testament to the intricate interplay of biology and physics. From the moment light enters our eyes to the point where our brains perceive the world around us, it's a fascinating story waiting to be told. In the next section, we'll delve into the anatomy of the eye, exploring the key components that make vision possible. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate design and remarkable capabilities of this vital sense organ. Think of the eye like a camera. Both have lenses to focus light and surfaces to capture the image. The cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye, acts as the first lens, bending incoming light. Next, light passes through the pupil, the dark circle in the center of the iris. The iris, the colored part of the eye, controls the size of the pupil, regulating how much light enters. Behind the pupil lies the lens, a flexible structure that further focuses light onto the retina. The lens can change shape, allowing us to focus on objects at different distances. Imagine looking at a distant mountain range, then shifting your gaze to a flower right in front of you. The lens seamlessly adjusts, ensuring sharp vision at both near and far ranges. Finally, we reach the retina, the innermost layer of the eye. This is where the magic truly happens. The retina contains specialized cells called photoreceptors that are sensitive to light. These cells convert light signals into electrical impulses that the brain can understand. It's like translating a foreign language into one you can comprehend. The journey of light through the eye is a carefully orchestrated process. It begins when light rays enter through the cornea, which bends them towards the pupil. The iris, acting like a gatekeeper, adjusts the size of the pupil to control the amount of light entering the eye. In bright light, the pupil constricts to limit light intake, while in dim conditions it widens to allow more light in. After passing through the pupil, light rays encounter the lens. The lens further bends the light, fine-tuning the focus so that a clear image is formed on the retina. This process of focusing light is called accommodation. The lens changes shape with the help of tiny muscles called ciliary muscles. When we look at distant objects, the ciliary muscles relax, making the lens thinner. Conversely, when we focus on nearby objects, the ciliary muscles contract, making the lens thicker. The final destination of light is the retina, a light-sensitive layer lining the back of the eye. The retina is like the film in a camera, capturing the image formed by the focused light. Within the retina reside millions of photoreceptor cells, the true heroes of vision. These cells are responsible for converting light energy into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. The retina houses two types of photoreceptor cells, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light conditions, allowing us to perceive shapes and movement in dim environments. They are highly sensitive to light but cannot distinguish colors. That's why we see mostly shades of gray at night. Cones, on the other hand, function best in bright light and are responsible for color vision. They come in three types, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths: red, green, and blue. These three cone types work together to create the spectrum of colors we perceive. The distribution of rods and cones across the retina is not uniform. The fovea, a small area at the center of the retina, is densely packed with cones, providing sharp central vision crucial for tasks like reading and recognizing faces. Rods, on the other hand, are more concentrated in the peripheral regions of the retina, enhancing our ability to detect movement in our side vision. Section 5. The brain's interpretation. From signals to sight. Once the photoreceptors in the retina convert light into electrical signals, these signals embark on a journey to the brain via the optic nerve. The optic nerve is like a high-speed cable, transmitting visual information from the eye to the brain. The journey from eye to brain is not a simple, straight line. Information from the right visual field of both eyes is processed by the left hemisphere of the brain, while information from the left visual field is processed by the right hemisphere. This crossover of visual pathways ensures that both sides of the brain receive a complete picture of the visual world. However, the signals arriving at the brain are not yet images. They are raw data, a jumble of electrical impulses representing different aspects of the visual scene. It is the brain's remarkable ability to decode and interpret these signals that ultimately gives rise to our perception of sight. Section 6. The visual cortex. A picture is worth 1,000 signals. The visual cortex, located at the back of the brain, is the primary processing center for visual information. Here, the electrical signals received from the eyes undergo complex analysis and interpretation. Different areas of the visual cortex specialize in processing specific aspects of vision, such as color, shape, motion, and depth. Imagine a team of expert codebreakers working together to decipher a complex message. Similarly, different regions of the visual cortex collaborate to extract meaningful information from the incoming signals. They piece together the puzzle, analyzing edges, contours, textures, and movements to construct a coherent representation of the visual scene. The process of visual perception is not simply about receiving and decoding sensory input. It is an active and constructive process, influenced by our past experiences, expectations, and attention. The brain constantly makes predictions about the visual world, using prior knowledge to fill in gaps and resolve ambiguities. Section 7. Fun facts. Did you know? The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. That's a far cry from the limited palette of colors we use in our daily lives. Our eyes are incredibly sensitive to subtle variations in hue, saturation, and brightness. Another fun fact: our eyes are constantly in motion, even when we try to keep them still. These tiny movements, called saccades, are essential for maintaining a stable image on the retina. Imagine trying to watch a movie on a screen that's constantly flickering. It would be nearly impossible to make sense of the images. Saccades ensure that the visual world remains clear and stable. Section 8. The miracle of sight, a gift to cherish. The human eye is a marvel of biological engineering, a testament to the power of natural selection. Its intricate design and remarkable capabilities allow us to perceive the world in all its beauty and complexity. From the transparent cornea to the light-sensitive retina, each component of the eye plays a crucial role in the gift of sight. Sight is not something to be taken for granted. It is a precious gift that enriches our lives in countless ways. By understanding how our eyes work, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of vision and the importance of protecting this vital sense. Section 9. Beyond 2020s, the future of vision. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain and vision, we unlock new possibilities for enhancing and restoring sight. Researchers are developing innovative technologies such as artificial retinas and gene therapies that hold the promise of treating vision loss and improving the lives of millions. The future of vision is bright, driven by scientific curiosity and a desire to improve human health and well-being. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the eye and the brain, we can look forward to a future where the gift of sight is accessible to all.